Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Subaru Sambar van. This Sambar has a water-cooled Subaru 4-cylinder gasoline engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has 76,857 original miles. It is 4 doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They do go away as well. The number that y'all are seeing, 123,691. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 76,857. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions y'all may have. Thank you so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.